The world needs farmers. People who know the land. People who support rural communities. People who are as diverse as each acre they care for. But unless you've been born and raised on a family farm, it's difficult to become a farmer on your own. That's why we have and are continuing to build a team of people from our hometown and across the world to do what they love.
You know, what really drives me, what brings me to work every single day is the people I work with.
Everybody enjoys that, I think, of excelling every day and trying something new that they haven't done yet.
Yeah, I think despite all the cultural differences that we have on this farm, we find a middle way to work as a team and to be a family.
We've set out to improve the health of the land and the communities that surround it. And to achieve this, we rely on a team that does the right thing, not what's easy or convenient. A team that's bold and unafraid to change. A team that maximizes potential and brings out the best in each other. We are not just a family farm. We are a multi-family farm. We are VFF.